We've just arrived at Wooramel Station. It's an hour and a half before Carnarvon. We're going to stay here for the night. It's on the side of the Wooramel River. It's just a dry riverbed. I think it's like this most of the year actually, from what I've seen. Massive sites here. It's $30 a night. They have toilets and showers, but you do have to be self-sufficient. So we've got our solar panel out. Gonna have a little fire here tonight, and they've got artesian hot baths. So we're gonna go in there soon.
We've just got to the artesian pools and we're about to check it out.
I'm so keen.
Yeah, so warm.
We are staying in Carnarvon for 3 nights, just stocking up on all of our groceries and alcohol, and we're doing the fruit loop at the moment. So it's a drive around town and you visit all the produce.
Yeah, market gardens and things like that. We just come across this Bumbucks or Bumbucks deluxe thing, and they do ice cream, so we're having some breakfast ice creams.
It's 10:30 in the morning and we haven't eaten yet, so we're breaking our fast with mango ice creams. Yum! Puppy! Hello, puppy! It's Christmas here today. The caravan, we've just been to the post office. Bryce has got his present.
My delayed birthday present. So it's been a couple months.
Yeah.
But it's finally here.
Oh yeah.
New drone.
Got to show you our new campsite. We're going to stay here for a few days, pretty much until we run out of water or food. It's about maybe 40 minutes out of Carnarvon. It's called the Blowholes. Anyway, this is our campsite. Totally free as well at the moment. After the coronavirus, the ranger actually hasn't enforced any fees or anything yet. Not sure if Thailand or Western Australia.
Nice little spot just out of Carnarvon. Quobba Blowholes it's called. Wicked little place.
We got some beautiful fresh produce in Carnarvon, so we're not letting it go to waste. We're going to make some veggie fritters for lunch. We'll just cook these on the pan outside on the little gas stove, just so we don't heat up the caravan. It's about 30 degrees here today. It's beautiful and sunny. This is what the veggie patties look like when we're cooking them. Really simple, just fry them in there for 5 minutes probably each.
We're just out here this morning at Quobba Blowholes to come for a little bit of a walk, and the seas out here are massive. They're actually crazy.
Yeah, it's right next to that King Waves kill sign, so we're just keeping our distance because the swell's massive. We've just driven from the blowholes at Quobba Point to Red Bluff, so it's about a 60k drive, and we just did a bit of a tester today to see if it was fine to bring the caravan down. It's definitely not fine. It's really rough. It's worse than when we went to Steep Point and just did a swag trip, so yeah, we're lucky we didn't drag it down here, but Red Bluff is really beautiful so far. It's a nice spot, so we're just going to spend the day down here and then we'll go back to the blowholes tonight. It's just not worth wrecking the van to come down here.
We're staying at Kennedy Range National Park. It's about 3 hours from Carnarvon. It's a pretty cool little spot. You get to see all the cliffs and ranges around. It was a bit of a rough track in, but it wasn't as bad as we were expecting. It's about 60k of dirt, and you go through the little town of Gascoyne Junction on the way through. Got the solar panels out this morning, getting a bit of sun, and we'll go do a few bushwalks. And nice little area. Go on. Try and push off the rocks on the left if you want. Yeah, that's it. Go to the rocks on the left, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Nice.
Smooth, wasn't it?
That was a good one.
Every campsite here actually has a really awesome view. This is ours out the door. And we get the morning sun on that one. And then the afternoon sun around this side of the van. We are on to 14 Mile Beach tomorrow, also known as Waroora Station. So we're just doing a free camp tonight in between Carnarvon and the 14 Mile. Quite a good little free camp, just on the side of some dry riverbed, and the service station across the road. There's a heap of vans here, and it's only about 3 o'clock. I've put Bryce to work this afternoon because I've been losing all the rigs.
So I'm just making up some new ones because Chelsea keeps finding all the rocks and all the reefs. And
Well, you only get the good fish in the reef, so that's where I need to put it. So got all of these ones ready for 14 Mile because apparently it's pretty good fishing.
So this is our little campground at 14 Mile, just over the back of these dunes here. We'll show you, that's where the front row is, the lucky buggers down there.
We're in the slums.
We're in the slums in the back here.
Nah, it's nice and protected here with the dunes, and
yeah it's still a good spot. There's plenty of stuff to do, heaps of fishing, and it's really nice along the beaches. So we'll show you it all.
This is 14 Mile. There are some awesome campsites. You've just got to be really quick to book them on the internet. They've only recently changed it to the National Parks website, so you have to book all on there. These are probably the prime spots you want to get, but like I said, they're super hard. So we're up the back pretty much just behind these guys on the other side of the dune. It only takes us like a couple of minutes to walk here, but we've just come for a drive, check out all the sights.
We've come down for a bit of a swim this afternoon. Lunchtime, we're at Pelican Point. Awesome little spot. It's great for snorkeling. We've seen probably 4 turtles so far cruising through. A couple shovel-nosed rays that are probably, I don't know, 1.2 meters long. Chelsea freaked out a little bit, but it's a cool little spot. Time to go back down. Definitely a lot quicker doing it that way. So I thought I'd give you a quick rundown of the latest release drone from DJI. It's the MAVIC AIR 2 and it's been great for what we're doing lately. This whole new video that's coming out has just got the footage from this. It folds out really easy, it packs up really small, and it's a great little addition. It comes with a nice little bag. One of the great things about this is it handles the wind really well. Our old drone, the DJI Spark, we used to worry a bit about putting it up. With this one, it handles winds up to like 40 kilometers an hour, so we're never stressed to chuck it up to have a look, especially when there's always something good. We've been trying to get a lot more ocean photography, like find some wildlife out in the water, so it's going to be really great for finding some different stuff for you guys to see.